Wow, it's big compared to my tiny screen, and I thought mine was big.
You try. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, they have to select them.
Yeah.
Okay, for example, okay. Listen,
Sino
kids,
magta-time?
Me, I'm timer.
No, you're one
This
of the...
game is called
Tongue twister.
Tongue Twister. Okay? So in 1 minute, whoever say more
Clearly.
clearly,
I
yeah,
need to exercise my tongue.
will win the what?
Are you doing it?
I want to do it.
Come here.
Not for the game, just for the sake of doing it. Oh, you started?
Yeah.
$3.
Okay, go.
It's gonna be a long video.
Wait, do you have, how many memory do you have?
I have a
How
lot.
much?
I have no idea, but I think I have a lot.
You don't have to put in a memory card,
Okay,
right?
in
No.
just 1 minute,
Wow.
Paramihan to.
Is it like more than 1 gig? Wow.
A lot of apps in here.
When you're ready, tell us.
No, give them one each now.
Yeah.
So that we can practice. Okay.
Isabel, come here.
Bigyan natin siya
Okay,
ng time to
get
practice.
your own
10 minutes
tongue twister
practice.
words.
10 minutes.